Hey, so let's just quickly learn how we can fork a GitHub repository. So forking means creating a copy of a project folder or a GitHub repository under your own GitHub account so that you can play around with it. That fork or the copy of the project will include all the project files and also the original commit messages. To create the fork, first you have to visit the project folder. You can write the name here, you can search for the name, or you can directly visit by using the URL or the address. Then after that you just have to click on fork button. It will fork your own copy of this project folder under your name. So just click on the fork button. You can rename it, but let's just make it to the usual default name. You can write a description and you can do a lot of things, but just create fork button. And now you have your own copy of container blank inside your GitHub account. This fork or the copy will also include the original URL or the address and also the original commit messages. When you are creating a copy of the project, you can play around with it and learn through collaboration